stuck here.
This is question number 3 from exercise 2.2. I'm going to discuss the parts which I gave as homework. And I'm going to do these quite quickly. 6 parts. 5, this is the homework I had given. 5 by 2 multiplied by 6.
5
You can write this as 5 by 2.
over 1.
6
by
over
2,
1.
6 by 1. 35 by 2.
Ma'am, answer is
70,
35 by 2.
35 by 2.
Ma'am,
70 over 1 by
15
2.
over 1.
Listen.
15 by 1.
7th standard, listen. This was your homework, right? So right now, I want you to just observe. And if your answer is different, only then you will ask. So if you have done incorrect product, please fix it in your notebooks. 5 into 6 is 30, not 35. After you have calculated the product, you want to change it to the lowest terms. See if any cutting is possible. You will cancel. You're left with 15 by 1. The 1 in the denominator can be ignored. So your answer will be 15. Seventh part, we have 11 multiplied with 4 over 7. Write 11 as a fraction. This will be 11 over 1.
11 by 1 multiply 4 by 7 is equal to 44 by 7.
This is
My
mixed.
answer is 6 2 by 7.
6
6
2 by
or
7.
2 by 7.
Ma'am, 20 into 4 by 5.
20 multiply by 4 by 5.
4 by 5. 20 by 1 into 4 by 5.
Ma'am, 20 over 1 multiply by 4 by 5.
By
20
5.
multiply 4 over 5 multiply 1 is equal to 80
60
over
by 1.
5
Cutting.
is equal to 16
Cutting.
over 1. 16 over 1. 16 answer.
16.
13 multiply by 1 over 3 is equal to
13 into
Change it to mixed.
Fifteen into 3. 49 by 5. We will cut then 9 by 1.
Tables, ध्यान से. 15 times 3 is 45. Now you can do the cutting.
1 and 9.
This is 9
Answer is
over
9.
9 by 1.
My all answers are correct.
Wonderful. So those who had not done this, they can take a screenshot and they can complete it afterwards.
I have done
Those who had done the homework, I hope they have checked their answers. The next question is question number 4. This is the one for which I told you to draw the pictures beforehand. So question number 4, first part here. First of all, kindly note that this question requires you to do shading. So there is this picture given, box के अंदर squares हैं, triangles हैं और circles हैं, triangles हैं और squares हैं. First part is shade 1 by 2 of the circles in box A. This is box number A.
We have to shade 6.
1 by 2 of stands for multiplication. How many circles are there in the box?
12.
12 circles. Now simplify.
Now we have to shade 6 circles.
You can do the cutting right here or you can do the multiplication. So 12 can be written as
12 by 2.
12 can be written as 12 over 1. This becomes 12 by 2. Do
By
the cutting.
2.
And 6.
6 circles.
6 circles.
So you can shade any 6 circles.
Yes. Oh, yeah. So,
ध्यान से Yuvraj, are you aware that this meeting is recorded?
I'm done. I'm done.
I'm done.
I'm done.
2 by 3 of
Multiply 9 by 1.
9.
2 by 3 multiply by 9 by 1.
Jivitesh.
1.
Ma'am, we can cut the fraction when we are multiplying.
Yes.
I'm 6. 6. I'm next.
How many
Six.
triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 9 triangles.
9.
Ma'am, 9 triangles are there.
9 triangles.
So
2 by 3 of 9.
Ma'am,
2
6
by 3 of
triangles are
9. Jivitesh is asking if we can do the
3
cutting.
triangles.
Jivitesh is asking if we can do the cutting here. So we can do the cutting here as well. आप इस step पे भी cutting कर
6
सकते हैं.
triangles have to shade.
9 can be written as 9 over 1. This becomes
Yes.
18 by 3.
18 by 3.
Ma'am,
And we will
cutting
cut,
6.
then it will be 6 by 1 or 6.
6 triangles to be shaded.
Yes.
मैम
Yes,
Ma'am,
Polly?
please roll.
मैम हम 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 को क्यों नहीं देख रहे?
Where, beta?
मैम सेकंड पार्ट.
Where do you have to multiply it with 1? बेटा प्रोडक्ट जब आप लिखते हो दो रैशनल फ्रैक्शंस का, आप न्यूमरेटर्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, डिनोमिनेटर्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. न्यूमरेटर
ओके मैम.
आपके पास 2 और 9 है, तो उनका प्रोडक्ट बन गया 18. 2 into 9 is 18 in the numerator. In the denominator you had 3 and 1. उनका प्रोडक्ट क्या आ गया? 3. फिर सिंप्लीफाई करना है आपको.
ओके मैम.
मल्टीप्लिकेशन एक्चुअली इज द इजीएस्ट, सबसे इजी है. ऊपर वाले नंबर्स को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, डिनोमिनेटर्स को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. वेरी सिंपल. इसमें आपको एलसीएम भी नहीं लेना पड़ता.
मुझे
समझाना, मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था.
सिमरप्रीत बेटा हम थर्ड पार्ट करेंगे, आपको वहां से क्लियर हो जाएगा. जस्ट वॉच. थर्ड पार्ट आपके पास है 3 by 5. 3 by 5 of the squares in the box.
15.
there are 15 squares. 15. 3 by 5 of 15.
Count
Ma'am, 3 by 5 multiply 15.
3 by 5 into 15 by 1.
all those who are answering. All those who are answering, just wait.
Ma'am, there we have to shade 9 squares.
Ma'am, 9 squares we have to share.
All right.
Yes, 9.
7th standard. 7th standard. Once again, those who are
Can I
answering.
scroll up?
Those who are answering, wait for a moment. I'm trying to explain it to one of the students here. Of represents product. So now you just simplify. 15 can be thought of as 15 over 1. Multiply the numerators. ऊपर वाले numbers हैं 3 and 15. It will be 45. Denominators multiply karo, you will get 5. Now do the cutting.
Ma'am, we have to do 9 shades.
Yes.
9.
Ma'am, 9.
Any 9.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yeah.
Ma'am, can we also cut the ma'am 3 by 3 and 15?
Yes.
Ma'am, simplify the numbers.
No, you cannot cut the numerators. आपकी जो cutting होगी हमेशा, it is one value from the numerator, one from the denominator. Cutting हमेशा ऐसे होगी. एक नंबर आपका न्यूमरेटर का होगा, एक नंबर आपका डिनोमिनेटर का होगा। आप न्यूमरेटर्स की कटिंग नहीं कर सकते, सामने सामने कटिंग नहीं कर सकते आप,
मैम यस
ठीक है? आप सामने
मैम
सामने
5 and 15 की
5 and 15 की हो सकती है, यस।
multiplying then we
आप
can
5 और 15 की कटिंग कर सकते हो, 3 15 की कटिंग नहीं कर सकते हो।
मैम तो
यस मैम
Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
If anyone's writing, tell me if you want me to
Excuse
wait.
me, ma'am.
मैम मैम जैसे हम इनको टू फ्रैक्शंस इनको मल्टीप्लाई
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just a minute, beta. Rishit is asking something. Wait.
इनको मल्टीप्लाई करने के सिवाय हम इनको यहीं पे कट करके निकाल सकते हैं आंसर।
Yes, definitely.
ओके मैम।
Yes, someone else was asking a question.
Ma'am, I was also asking the same question that Rishita asked.
Okay. This is something which I will be doing in next questions. अगर आपके पास है, watch the screen. 2/3 multiplied with 9. अगर ऐसे product है आपके पास, I would like to write 9 as 9/1. और जब यहाँ पे cutting करनी है, I can do the cutting of 3 and 9 right here. और फिर मेरा आंसर कैसे मिलेगा? ऊपर वाले नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करो, you get 6. नीचे आपके पास आ जाएगा 1 and the answer is 6. You get the
earlier
same.
I have asked
You
the
get the
same question.
yes, Jivitesh, that's what I'm saying. आपको भी मैंने यही कहा था, आप कर सकते हो ऐसे। कटिंग जब भी करनी है, आपने ये ध्यान रखना है, ऊपर नीचे होनी है। ऐसे हो सकती है कटिंग क्रॉस की फॉर्म में। 1 number will be from the numerator, 1 number will be from denominator. सामने सामने कभी कटिंग नहीं करनी, सामने वाले नंबर्स ने मल्टीप्लाई होना है, उनकी कटिंग नहीं कर सकते आप। ऊपर नीचे कटिंग हो सकती है, 1 number from the numerator, 1 from the denominator. आप क्रॉस में कटिंग कर सकते हो, लेकिन कटिंग सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट में करनी है और कहीं नहीं करनी है। ऐसा नहीं प्लस हो रहा हो आप वहां पे कटिंग करनी शुरू कर दो।
हाँ मैं ऑपोजिट पे करनी है ना, जैसे डायगोनल। सॉरी मैम।
यस। Completed? Anyone who's writing? I think everyone.
Completed, ma'am.
नो मैम।
Okay. I think if there's anyone, it would be the person would be on third part. So I've just scrolled a little. The next question that we have to do is question number 5. I'm writing down the first part. Find. It says 1/2 of. इसके साथ आपको 3 values दी हैं, 24. Sorry, 2 values दी हैं, 24 and 46. आपको 1/1 solve करना है. So you will have 1/2 of 24. पहले इसको solve करो.
मैम 12।
Ma'am,
12।
You need to show your work. Can we write like this?
मैम 1 minute wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Do the cutting. From numerator 12, from the denominator 1, the answer is 12. Simply भी अगर सोचते 1/2 means half. Half of 24.
12.
That's how you could have checked. Now for the same one, second part, again half of the second number, 46.
Ma'am, 23.
मैम 23.
You may show your work here. I'm going to show the cutting. The answer is 23/1. Simply 23.
I'm 23.
फ्रैक्शन सेम है, नंबर्स चेंज हो रहे हैं। हाफ 24 का, फिर हाफ 46 का।
हम लाइक दिस।
यस।
मैम अगर 1/4 of 24 होता है, यहाँ पे 6 आना था आंसर फर्स्ट।
1/4.
Ma'am, is it correct?
हाफ का हाफ।
2/3
Okay.
of 18 and 27. So let's solve the first part, 2/3 of 18.
I'm 18.
answer is 12.
Ma'am, the answer is 12.
Ma'am, 18. Yes. 6.
I'm 12.
Answer is 12.
Second
Ma'am,
one, the answer is 18.
I'm second ka 18.
Very good.
Second answer is 8.
I'm done.
Ma'am, iska
3/4. Third part, we have to find out 3/4 of 16 and
And 36.
36.
36. 1
3 by
minute.
4 of 16.
Ma'am, the answer
Answer
is
is 12.
first 12.
The answer is 12.
12.
And second is uh,
Ma'am, 27.
27.
That's right. The answer is
27.
27.
Please wait for a
The students who have completed till here, they can do the next part by the time the students are writing this down. Let's wait for others to write this down.
Ma'am,
Then
please write the next
or
part.
we will wait. Let's wait for others to finish this.
Ma'am, please write the next part and then wait.
Okay. Four by 5 of 20
7.
and 35.
Ma'am, answer is 16.
Ma'am, the answer of first is 16. 16 by 1.
Ma'am, the answer of second is 28.
Right.
28 by 1.
Right.
I'm done. I'm done.
Second is 24.
First का 16 ठीक है?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, ma'am. And then next,
First is 16 and second is 20.
next का 28.
28 by 1.
4 by 5 of 35 है. $28. Yes, done. Correct. Four by ma'am 5 1 35 7 4 into 7 equals to 28.
4 to 28.
That is 28 answer.
Wonderful. Anyone who is doing B part, second part, B part, 2 by 3, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'll just scroll it up then. Finish it up, hurry up. The rest of the students may start with 6th question. Again, you need to find out the product. Same question, but this time you have mixed numbers. And please read the instructions in the book carefully. I want you to read the instructions silently from your textbook for question number 6. You have to multiply and your answer should be in mixed form. But remember, the answer will be in mixed form only if there is improper fraction.
Yes.
Remember that.
For the first part, the answer is 15 3 by 5.
Ma'am, I have done 4 parts of question number 6.
Good.
ओके मैं गलत बात था.
Ma'am, 3 into
Ma'am, answer of
20
first
into
is
23 over 5.
15, 3 over 5.
3 can be written as 3 over 1.
Ma'am, 15 8 over 5.
Please remember me saying 26 by 5.
15, 3 over
Yes.
5.
26 by
Okay, I'm
5.
asking a question here. I'm asking a question here. I want you to answer this. Can I write 3 as 3 over 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The second thing, yes, the second thing that I want to do is I want to change this mixed number into improper form.
26 by 5.
Ma'am, 26 by 5.
Now the product.
Ma'am,
78 by 5.
78 by 5. Ma'am, 15, 3 over 5.
53 by 5.
78 by 5.
Use your working column if you don't know the tables.
Okay.
3 by 5.
That's right. You may check your screen. Okay, I'm asking the students again. Anyone who's doing previous question?
No, ma'am.
No.
Anyone who is still doing previous question, fifth question? All right. I assume that everyone has done. So let's now start with sixth one a little quickly. Second part, we have 5 multiplied with 6 and 3 by 4.
5 upon 127.4.
27 by 5.
27 by 4.
135 second is
135 by 4.
5 by 4.
second is
33 3 over 2. 33 3 by 5.
3 over 4.
33 3 over 4.
$33 2 over
33 and 3 by 4.
Beta, do the division carefully. Do the division carefully. ध्यान से.
Math का question.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it important to show the divisions?
No. You can do it in the rough work. You can do it in the rough work, or I advise that you draw a working column next to your question. On the same page, draw a working column.
Okay, ma'am.
And you can do all the work there. If you have to find out the product, or if you have to carry out division, you can do it there rather than doing it on the last page. So students generally turn to the last page to carry out the rough work calculations. I would like you to do it on the same page right next to your question in the working column.
The answer of C part is 15 whole 3 by 4.
And 15.
15 whole 3 by 4. 63 by 4. Then mix 63 by 4. Then mix 15 whole 3 by 4.
15 whole 3 by 63 divided by 4. 4. 15. 4 ones are 4. 2, 3. कर भी दी.
Do silent.
Ma'am, depart.
Ma'am, give 3 parts for homework.
19 by 3. Over 3.
I'm 76 by 3.
Ma'am, 76 by 3.
Ma'am, 76 by 3.
Now, 3.
25 over 1 by 25 1 by 3.
Ma'am, 25 over 1 by 3.
25 over 1 by 3.
25
Yes.
and 1 by 3.
25 and 1 by 3.
25
Whole 1
and
by
1. You don't have to say whole
Ma'am?
every time. You can simply say 25 and 1 by 3.
Okay, ma'am. 25 and 1 by 3.
Then I have done all the parts.
Wonderful.
EF
So I'm
homework.
giving you the last two parts as homework, parts E and F.
What is the E part?
It's 3 and 1 by 4 multiplied with 6. This is E part. F part is 3 and 2 by 5 multiplied with 8. So these are the two parts.
3
You will do this as
Ma'am,
homework.
all.
Very good.
multiplied by 8.
Question number 7th. Again, we have product. Find 1 by 2 of number 1, 2 and 3 by 4. Second, 4 and 2 by 9. So half of the first mixed number, then half of the second mixed number. Half of the first mixed number. Solve.
Ma'am, 11 का half.
Ma'am, 1 by 2 multiply 11 by
7 by 4.
11
4.
by 4.
Product.
7 by 8.
Mixed.
Ma'am, mixed 8. Ma'am, 1 and 3 by 8.
That's right, Rishit. Second one, half of 4 and
Half
2 by 9.
into 38 by 9.
Ma'am, 38 by 9.
38 by 9.
Can we do some cutting here?
Ma'am, yes, 2 and 38. 2 ones are 2, 38, 19. 19
Nine.
by 9. By 9. 9. Ma'am,
Ma'am, the answer is 19 by 9.
2 and 1 by 9.
Ma'am, 2 and 1 by 9 is the answer.
मैम 1 मिनट में रह गया पीछे. B5 by 8.
I'm going to wait for 5 minutes.
Into
No one will speak the answer for 5 minutes. No one will speak the answer for 5 minutes. Let us wait for others to finish up their work till here. And those who have done, they can do 7th question, B part as well. But you will not speak the answer.
Okay, 3 by 6.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
I hope everyone has noted down till here.
Ma'am, not done it done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone who's still writing this? जितना मैंने सॉल्व किया है सभी का हो गया?
उससे ज्यादा.
उससे ज्यादा हो गया. नेक्स्ट भी कर लिया. Very good. Okay, let's finish this
Ma'am,
up.
yes.
Let's finish this up. 7th question B part. We need to find out 5/8 of this mixed number. 5/8 of 3 and 5 by 6. So 5 by 8,
Ma'am, 5/8, 18/6.
18,
3 by
18 over 6?
23/6.
Ma'am, no,
23.
ma'am, गलत है, ma'am, answer गलत आ गया, ma'am.
23/6.
Do check cutting तो नहीं हुई?
115 by 48.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
115 by
115 by 48.
48.
Ma'am, in whole 2 and 19 by 48.
9 by 45.
219 by 40.
2 and 19 by 48.
And 19 by 40.
Second part.
And 5 by 8 multiplied by 2 by 29 by 3. 145 by 24 and 6 and 1 by 32.
6 and 1 by 2 into 6. 24. 144.
Next is a story sum. We will do that tomorrow. I want you to complete your work till 7th question. That will be all for today.
Ma'am, homework we will discuss.
Homework.
wait for some
time.
Sure, I'm-
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Students to stay in the meeting. Students to stay in the meeting for attendance. Tejveer is taking the attendance quickly. There are only 2 parts I've given as homework. That is 6th question. 6th question के जो last 2 parts हैं. I've given that as homework, right?
Done both. I've
Yes.
done both.
Okay, very good. Some of the students have done the homework right here. That's wonderful.
Ma'am,
Each part is 19. Answer 19.
We are left with one story sum that we will do tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Done, ma'am.
First part of the homework and not doing.
Okay.
Answer बता. First
I'm
question.
taking.
Okay. Okay. Tejveer, can we end the meeting now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
All, I'll see you all tomorrow.
And